The jollof wars, is it Ghana Jollof or Nigerian Jollof, funeral Jollof or wedding Jollof? Which is your favorite? Comment down below. Today is World Jollof Day and we bring you the simplest jollof rice recipe. You know how we do it. Stay tuned and let's get right into the video. We will be using the following ingredients for today's recipe: some sliced onions, rosemary, cayenne pepper, ginger paste, curry powder, stock cube, garlic paste, some rice, blended tomatoes, tomato paste, and frozen peas. We'll be also needing some oil as well. As always, all ingredients used in this recipe will be linked down in the description box below, so kindly check it out. So we start by heating our pan and then we'll add our onions. Today our jollof pot is not fancy, but hey, we move. So I like to add my rosemary and then my ginger and garlic in the beginning so that the flavors will infuse into the oil before adding my tomatoes. So now we go ahead and add our tomato paste and then we would stir and let it simmer for about 2 minutes before we add our blended tomatoes. So we allow our tomatoes to simmer on a medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, where you constantly check it and also be stirring so that it doesn't get burnt. And then we'll be adding our cayenne pepper. So at this point I add my curry powder and then I add my stock cube and also go ahead and add my salt. But for the salt you need to be very careful as stock cube already has a bit of salt in there. So you stir and stir and stir. And then also I added about a tablespoon of mixed spices. My mixed spices from Top Seed House of Spices. They are mixed spices, superb. So then I'll leave the stew to simmer for a bit and then I'll go ahead and add my rice. My total cooking time for my jollof stew is about 20 to 25 minutes, and then after adding the rice I would stir it and then add hot water. The hot water is my trick for the jollof to cook faster. And also you can decide to wash your rice before adding it to the stew, but I like to add it straight away. So after adding the hot water, keep stirring till on a medium heat so the water is like almost about to drain. Then I reduce the heat onto a low heat, cover it and let it sit and let the heat cook the rice. My total cooking time for the rice is about 20-25 minutes, and then finally I add my frozen peas. With the trick for jollof that is not mushy and a one is the quantity of stew that you're using versus the amount of water.
Do I know? Does I know? I think I know. Ibi tó gbin ti wá.
Our jollof rice is ready and we served it with some bakposhito spice chicken wings with some shito. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you think when you try this recipe out. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please, subscription is free. Hit that red button and subscribe. I'll see you in our next video. Thank you so much for watching.